Morning, this is Kate again, out on my bike. I'm now down at the Broadwater in the Gold Coast in Australia, and I'm now at the dog park, well, almost at the dog park, and this is where I get to let Chief hop off and have a little run. He's got to stay fit too. You see so many fat dogs. It's like, oh, fat dog usually has a fat owner because they eat too much. So anyway, you can possibly see the Gold Coast behind me and even Palazzo Versace, and then over there is SeaWorld, and you can see it's a pretty lovely spot. Good morning. And there's another little puppy out walking, and it's very special to be able to be on my bike out in this. So for all of you out there who are sitting at home or still in bed because it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, time to get up, go for a little walk. Bye.